Hi friends, how are you? I wanted to share a planning tool that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. This is the Paper Studio Agenda 52 sticker book, and it's specifically the side hustle fold stickers, and it has 30 sheets and 1,018 pieces. I purchased this for 40% off. And if you know anything about Hobby Lobby, sometimes you can get these for 50% off. But I was in there, happened to see it, and you know that I'm trying to also add more content to A Savvy Life and Tish Bullard. So this really grabbed my eye, and I didn't want to wait till it was 50% off. I wanted to go ahead and get it. I saw a few of the stickers thumbing through the book, and I bought it. So I wanted to do a flip through with you today. And if you are interested in creating content, whether it's videos or a vlog, or you're trying to build up your Instagram or TikTok account, any social media platform, this may be something that you're interested in when you're planning. So let's do a quick flip through. The stickers are very cute. They're small. I think they will be suitable for any size planner. I specifically have an A5, and I think that these will fit in a personal. Also, if you go smaller, or if you're just doing a bullet journal and you're creating your own planner, I think that these would be great. So what stood out to me, because there were tabs, I was not able to open the entire book, but I did like some of the reminders to create content and publish posts where I can put a date or the location where I need to publish something. I am a sucker for a to-do list, and this sticker sheet had it on there. If meetings need to be scheduled, or you have a small craft business and you're wanting to keep in mind when you need to mail off packages, there are little stickers right here, post office drop off. I think that that is something very useful. And another thing that I like about this book is you get 2 pages of the same stickers. So that's what I noticed throughout the book. And then on this page, we will be busy. I like the don't stress girl. I think that's cute. Yes, goal achieved. It's okay to take a break. I really like these reminders that some of these stickers have on it, because we can push ourselves so much to where we're not really taking the necessary breaks that we need. And look at this one, ask for help. It's okay to ask for help. So there's going to be another sheet that is a duplicate of that one. And then provided are these little blank calendars stickers. That would be good. You're able to list the platform that you are wanting. I'm sorry, I'm out of frame. List the platform that you're wanting to use, and you can highlight the days of the week that you want to have content going up. You can also list the month. So I think that that will be helpful, and it's also a little tracker, or you could use it as a tracker when you're planning out your content, or when you're wanting to share a promo for your small business. You can track the days that you actually provide content, or want to host something or post something. At the bottom, here's some little flags that you can use if you have a divider in a notebook. I like that. That's really cute. And again, there'll be another sheet of that. Now, I really like this page. I think this is the one that really had me at, girl, get it. Look, get it, girl. Get it, girl. This just has several different little icons that you can use to beautify your planning sheets. Just, you know, if you need a little bit of embellishing to inspire you, that's what these are for. I love the laptop, the planner or the journal. There's a smartphone. There's some little office accessories around here. Girlfriend has her tablet and the little pen pouch, big plans. I just think that these are really, really cute. And of course, there's the second page. And then there's another page that would be good for if you're needing to send some mail, thank you cards, creating your to-do lists, some reminder sheets over here. I really like this sticker book. Here's a little travel section, but you know you can do double duty with those. If you're traveling to go to market or to shoot certain things, you're traveling and you're wanting to remind yourself to vlog it or take pictures for your social media, you can use these stickers for that. There's some deadline stickers, update. That would be a good tracker for you if you need to provide updates on anything. Conference calls. I like the little gold fold cameras at the top. I think I'll use those for the days that I need to film. And there's just, I mean, there's tons of stickers for your content planning planner. So many. Here's some more to-do calls. If you have appointments and you can set the time. Love these weekly task boxes. I think that those are cute. I'm even a fan of the colors. Here's another sheet with the icons on here. And I like that they used, you know, different skin tones. There was the darker one that you saw first, and here's a more fair skin. I like that. More of the social media blank tracker calendars with the little flags. So there's plenty in here for a year's worth of content or content tracking. More of the to-do list boxes, calls, things that you need to finish. For those bright ideas, here's some little light bulbs, and if you have things that are due. And as we get closer to the end, there are more tabs and flags that you can use throughout your planner. I think these are really nice. And really important, budget flags or stickers, page stickers. So that's definitely important when running a small side hustle, as they don't say small, but side hustle. Here's some little smartphones at the top. I really like these. On this sheet, just some more reminders. So quite a bit of icons to use to identify certain tasks that need to be made. Here's some more to-do lists, stickers, priority. There's some that have the grid on them. You can draw something. You can write down a content idea, a new product idea on those. Here's another sheet of icons. I like the out of office, send out mail, goals, camera, you know, reminder, let's take those pictures. You can use that for a certain day. I like this cute little lamp, and I love the use of their tortoise shell in some of the icons. I think that that's really chic and nice. So tons of stickers to use as a reminder. And yeah, it really is. I don't know if I noticed this one, but more icons. Did my taxes. This is good if you have a budget portion. See, here's some more little, the tablet has a tortoise shell in the back. I think that that's really cute. Let's see, that's 2 sheets of that. I have 2 sheets left, and these are more icons with the done for your checklist, some top goals so that you can generate your goals list. Those are the top goals. Some pins. Here's some photo shoot stickers right there, and just some high fives and self cheer. Success is a decision. That will be good. And sometimes you need to just take a day off from it all, and they have you covered here with a few stickers. And for those meetings, coffee date stickers, those are cute. And then the last sheet is a duplicate of that. So there are tons of stickers for you to use throughout your planning 6 months or 12-year. I'm excited to put this to use. And before I did, I wanted to do a flip through with you. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby, like I mentioned, during this particular sale. Planner Studio and Happy Planner products were 40% off, but there are times where you can find these for 50% off. When you go to your Hobby Lobby, just check to see if you can get this on sale. Why pay retail when you don't have to, right? Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. I hope that this may inspire you to go and pick up your own side hustle sticker pack so that you can start planning your way to fulfilling your side hustle dreams. Please subscribe to this video if you have not already. Hit the notification bell to the right of that. Like the video and talk to me down in the comment area. This is Tish with The Savvy Life, and until the next video, have a great day. Bye.